Relationship advice you have gotten till date? Any one of you?
Don't get in one.
That was so predictable.
Relationship advice. Blank.
You know, actually, one of my friends, married friends, Bipin, gave me this advice. Treat every relationship of yours like it's something you cannot get out of. So when you tend to do that, you make an effort at making it work. So I think that's the best advice I've ever got.
What is the first thing you notice about the opposite sex?
Dressing style and spoken.
The way they speak, the way they carry themselves.
Like I've already said this before, the fact that they are the opposite sex.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Who is more romantic, men or women, and why?
That's debatable, and you just cannot answer in one word. So. Men.
Oh, okay. And why? Why?
See, well, if I talk about Indian women, they somehow are very tied up, with things, with customs, with somewhere down the line. Even if it's however modern the girl is, but there is somewhere they just refrain from showing their emotions, from telling, and from even if it is in bed if I talk. So I don't think they would initiate, right? And I'm being very honest about it. But men, they are romantic to the extremes. They are the ones who initiate and who take the effort, and of course. So that's how. It's just the.
I'm noticing all your answers are very bed related.
Every
answer has the
Okay.
reference of a bed.
Okay, big deal. She's throwing questions like that and answering like that.
But I personally beg to differ. I don't think romance has anything to do with being on the bed.
No, Baba, my answer was never related to bed thing, okay? And I'm just talking about, she asked me who's more romantic and why. So I answered that. If a bed word came in between, I think you shouldn't debate about that, right? That's all. Girl?
What?
What are these noises you're making?
Nothing.
Did you
One
guys?
second, it comes written in the
Thank
script.
you.
ERR.
I'm done, thank you.
Karan?
I think men happen to be more romantic, and I'm not being biased towards men, but I think women like to expect, and men like to fulfill those expectations. So men happen to be more proactively romantic. Women are like on the receiving end, and I think that's been sort of, how would I say it? What's that word? It's always been like that. It's always been like that, and I think I like it like that.
I think men are supposed to be more romantic, and that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, it's not. I mean, you cannot just say that men are romantic or women are romantic, but women expect. Women are shy, and I think that's how it's better. It makes everything much better when women are shy and men are romantic.
Basically, after my answer, it was written elaborate.
No, but if you give me the mic, Lass is going to elaborate only because the answers are very similar, yeah.
So, do you guys believe in love at first sight? Any one of you?
Not at all.
Sorry, man, but hold on, repeat it again.
Not at all.
Repeat it again.
Not at all.
That's what she answered for all three of us.
Yeah.
No, I'm just.
No, she answered for me, not at all.
How crucial is it to give flowers and gifts on a date?
Crucial?
Gifts? Gifts? No, it's not. It's about just going out on a date and making your woman feel special is the whole funda. But if you get a gift, it's just bonus, yeah.
Come back to the split personality question. Who was the one who screamed gifts? Gifts twice.
So I said bonus, na gift is a bonus.
Achha, gifts are bonus.
Okay, this is for Karan.
Let her also answer, yeah?
Oh,
No,
sorry.
yeah,
Not just being mean.
No.
No, it's okay.
It's just a
That's
gesture.
up to job,
It's
yaar. मैं हूँ ना. Like लड़ा मैं ही हूँ.
It's just a gesture, I think, and it's cool enough to give flowers and everything, and then these gifts. It's just gestures. What?
Choose a pretty but nagging girlfriend, or would you choose an understanding but an average looking?
Oh, definitely understanding, preferably not average. But I genuinely think looks is a matter of perception. Somebody who's beautiful to me might not be beautiful to you or anybody else. So I think it's the person within that's more beautiful. So definitely somebody who's more understanding.
Okay. In a love relationship, do you think marriage is a journey or a destination?
It's the end of a relationship. It's the last resort. When you're over all the stages of love, breakups and broken hearts, marriage comes as the last one.
And a lot
that
of
was my
bedding.
last status.
Have you forgotten the bed?
No, I'm sorry. I won't. It wasn't required here, yeah?
I don't know anything about marriage. I don't know anything about it. No comments.
I personally think marriage is the beginning of a new journey.
Beginning of the end of it.
No, the beginning of a
Do
journey.
you still dream of having
journey to
babies? You said you keep getting these dreams of having these young
Yeah,
babies. Is it
I
still
personally
Young
don't
babies?
like.
yeah, that's what he said in an interview.
Young babies.
Not young babies, like just newly born
Babies,
babies.
newly born.
I personally don't like other people's children. I mean, I don't know if that makes me sound bad.
I'm
but,
going to cut this out because people will not like it.
No, he doesn't like children. It's so bad.
I personally don't like children, but I love the kids of my own family. So
Okay.
maybe
Cut it
that's
out,
because some
please.
sort of attachment. But yeah, I would love to have kids of my own. Absolutely. I have a dog. I love him. Yeah.
Okay.
He's like my child. He's my son.
What would you do if your best friend does not approve of your partner?
Sorry, what?
Your
You're
best friend.
supposed to have
What
a
would you
relationship
do
with your
if
partner.
your best friend didn't approve of your partner?
Yeah, best friends have opinions, but I don't think I would ever listen. I'm ready to listen to anybody about anything.
I mean, you're gonna be in a relationship with that person, not your best friend. And if your best friend is your best friend, she'll understand eventually. So I guess you go with your heart and not with somebody else's heart.
I think male best friends never have these kind of issues. This is just a very woman thing, so I'll just leave it up to that.
How important is it to communicate in a relationship? How important is communication in a relationship?
तुम्हारी हंसी में सारा जवाब है.
Why am I always the one to answer first?
Because
Okay.
2, 3.
Communication is very important in a relationship because you cannot expect somebody to just understand. It's not a brain game happening here that you have some mental connection with somebody that you feel this and that a person is supposed to understand.
Like in movies.
Yeah, they might end up
Who is this message for?
like I said, communication is very
ये तो आंसर रटा हुआ है क्या?
I don't want to talk.
I think she's bad at communication. She keeps laughing in the middle of it. You're not communicating right now. Finish the answer, then laugh. You
Taya,
will choke on your own breath.
I'm joking. Can we not do this?
Okay, let's get
I'm
Karan to
communicating this to
say.
you.
There is no we here. Believe me, that's just you.
Okay, can we have your
Karan.
answer?
Yeah.
Oh, my answer.
My answer's got right with the fighting.
Oh,
Yeah. So I think communication is very, very important. Most of the fights that happen in relationships is because of miscommunication. So communicate. Please, not on BBs and SMSs and lame telephonic conversations. I personally believe in face-to-face communication.
Nia.
Not even Facebook statuses. I've realized people put up Facebook statuses as indirect ways of communicating to their boyfriends and girlfriends. It's true. Facebook has become like a let-out for your emotions for people. Not directed at anybody, this is just general because both of them just started looking in those directions.
Yeah, Nia hasn't. Yeah.
मुंह से उंगली निकालो बेटा. बेच से.
I think smile works as the best communication in a relationship.
वाह वो 100 रुपए का जवाब था.
Yeah, no? Smile as much as you can and talk less. The more you talk, the more it ends up, you end up fighting in a relationship. Why to talk here? Talk as less as you can and smile more and more and more. You're stuck at just one word and that's bad. Out of all my words, all the sentences, he's just got picked one word that's
I am
bad.
bedridden.
So bedridden. So